Hello guys, welcome in. I'm Jamie. Thank you guys so much for being here. Today I'm going to be opening up this package here. This one will be number 6. This is number 6 for the purchases I've made. I want to check to see who it is. I just got it in the mail today. The date is 1/24/2005, and this is actually from Roberta. So this is January 24th. Okay, awesome. January 24th of this year. Okay, so this is number 6, the video number 6. Yeah, actually, I was going to put the other number 4 and 5 together, but since it's from a different person, I wanted to do it differently. So let's see what's inside. This one's from Roberta. Whoa, wowzers. It's a huge gift. Okay, let's see what it is. Wowzers, wowzers. It says free gift for you. Wow, thank you so much. This is, crazy gift here. Okay, so let's just open this up now. Here is like a little free gift we have. Oh wow, oh my gosh, what the heck is this? Oh my gosh, guys, wow. Okay, here is a free gift, but first coffee. Wow, I love that saying. Okay, and then it says, oh my gosh, how adorable is this? Thank you, Roberta, so much for these. These are so lovely. Wow, I'm at awe. I appreciate that. These are like dinner towels. Dinner towels says, but first coffee, always. Oh my gosh. And then it says on the opposite side, these are like little tea towels. That is so lovely. Beautiful gift. Thank you so much for doing that. You don't need to do that. I appreciate this so very much. I will definitely use them. Okay, and this one here, it says, I like big cups and I cannot lie. Oh my gosh, how adorable is that? That is so cute. I like big cups and I cannot lie. That is so cute. That's so true. Because you got to get all coffee inside the cup, right? And then the opposite side here. These are adorable. Thank you so much for this. So lovely. Thank you so much, Roberta, for that. I appreciate that. So very thoughtful. Okay, let's see what I have here. Oh my goodness, I have something here that... Okay, so I have this little container here. Again, let's see what it looks like. I have nothing like this. Nothing. And if you guys are interested in me showing you guys my containers, I can show you guys them if you're interested. This is a nice it looks like sterling, but I don't think it is. I think okay, so let's open this one up. It looks like sterling, but I don't believe it is. But wow, isn't it gorgeous? I love it. It's in immaculate condition. There is no initial on there either. I love this one already. It's my favorite one of my favorite ones. Here it is right side inside. The little guy is just broken, but that's okay. You just need to clip it back into here and there. I believe these are for cigarettes, I'm assuming. How cool. These are so cool. And it looks like one's missing on the side, but no problem. I love it already. Beautiful. I love to... I wonder what the person, that used it, what they use it for, how long they had it for. Looks in like really excellent condition. Thank you so much, Roberta, for this. This is really beautiful. I appreciate that. That is lovely. Nothing like that. I see this one. It says from Nicola. Beautiful young lady that I can't believe this is so thoughtful. It's a free gift. Oh wow, it's a free gift from Nicola. Oh my gosh, thank you, Nicola, for that. That's so sweet of you to do. I'm extremely blown away, and I am so grateful. Wow, that is so sweet. I thank you so much for the gift. I appreciate that. You didn't have to do that, but I accept your I accept your gift. Very lovely. Oh man, you guys blow me away. You guys are so lovely. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, Nicola, look at this. This is so lovely. I have absolutely nothing like this. And don't have anything like this. This is stunning. It has a silver tone. It's like has these little rhinestones with a pearl looking inside. Here it is right here. There's this side here. Oh wow, what does this say? Made in the US. Revlon. Genuine silver plated. Plate. Wow. Revlon. Okay, so let's see what it looks like inside. Oh my goodness. This is remark. Oh wow, there we go. Look how pretty that is. Sorry about the flash, guys. Beautiful Revlon. I have nothing like this from Revlon. Let's see what it looks like inside. Oh my gosh, look at that. So pretty. I'm gonna smell it. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Nicola, for this lovely gift. I so do appreciate it. It's very, 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 very thoughtful. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. And I'll treasure this gift from you. Thank you so much. Beautiful. There's that one there. Oh, and then we have a free gift here. We'll open the free gift after. Let's open this little guy here. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Oh, oh my. It's our little guys. Let's see what we got here. I love little miniatures. You guys know that. Look how stinking cute these are. Okay, let's see what they are. I have no idea what they are, so let's see. There we go. I don't know what this one is until I just saw it. It's like a little wheel. And then this one, it looks like a drum, but it looks like a hat box. And then a little cradle. Oh my gosh, how darn cute are these? There they are there. So this looks like a little hat. It's just flipped there. It's like a little red hat. So cute. And then we have a little I don't know, it almost looks like a birdhouse in a way, but I don't think it is. It has like this little wheel right here. Oh, cute. These will be staying right beside me in my little miniature area. Oh, and if you guys are interested in looking at my miniatures, let me know. Comment down below. And then we have this little cradle. And look, it does open and close. Oh, wow. Sweet. How cute is that? So adorable. Okay, there we go. And then this is a free gift. Thank you, Roberta, for the free gift. Wow, so very lovely of you to include. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm not sure what it is. Let's see. Oh, it's like, is this for like perfume or hand sanitizer? Or, I love it. I have nothing like this. It's like a little spritz bottle. And I like it a lot because, yeah, cute. And I think you just undo it kind of thing. There we go. Thank you, Roberta, for that. And thank you, Nicola, for that. That is very, very so lovely of you to do. I appreciate that so much. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you've seen anything here that you like, let me know which one is your favorite. I do appreciate you guys being here. You guys all take care. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care.